Trelleborg Sealing Solutions proudly announces the launch of our new fluid sealing management program, Tran-SECURE. Ready and reliable right now. Our unparalleled material research and chemical compatibility testing enable us to quickly identify the best sealing material for your tank car to maximize seal life and minimize maintenance and downtime. We know that time is critical when servicing your tank car. To speed the process, our Chemical Transportation Seal Shop provides easy 24/7 access to online ordering and documentation. Backed by live customer support, global resources and local support ensure your needs are addressed quickly. Our logistics center packages your products with care and includes all the necessary compliance documentation. On our website, we provide access to manufacturer-approved torque value recommendations, installation instructions, and training materials, giving you peace of mind that your tank car is ready to return to service quickly, safely, and reliably. That's our top priority, and it's our promise to you. Tran-SECURE from Trelleborg Sealing Solutions, the leader in fluid sealing management.